Hi guys, in this lesson I'm focusing on using matrices and determinant for solving system of linear equations. Okay, this is the first application of matrices. Okay, we have a system of, I picked a system of linear equation, very simple here, 2x minus y plus 5, negative x plus y equals to negative 3. We have two unknown, x and y, and two linear equation. Okay, very simple. We could solve this before because this is negative 1 plus 1. We could simplify and get x, for example, by elimination. We could eliminate this two and say that this is x equals to actually 2. X is 2. We can replace x here, for example, use negative x plus y equal negative 3. X is 2. Negative 2 plus y equals to negative 3 plus 2 gets a, y gets negative 1. Easy, by elimination. But how about today using matrices and determinant? Okay, for doing this one, we need to have a matrix. First, the matrix is for coefficient of this one. For example, A is a matrix 2 by 2 coefficient 2, negative 1, 2 for x, this negative 1 for y, x again, and plus 1 for this. Order matters here because this is x's, this is y's. Okay? A times another matrix we have, for example, this times another matrix. This is 2 by 2. We have 2 by 1 of x and y. Because this one 2 times x, this times y, x, and this is y. What is the answer? Answer is 2 by 1. 2 times x plus negative y gets what? 5. This is answer. Negative x plus y gets negative 3. This is coefficient, this is unknown, and this is the answer. Okay, we need this. Okay, one matrix we have a coefficient. What is a determinant of A? We had it before, yes? Determinant of A is single number. Multiplication of the major diagonal minus the product of the minor diagonal. 2 times 1 gets 2 times 1 minus negative 1 times negative 1. How much is going to be? 2 minus 1 gets 1. Okay, so determinant of A is 1. This is one thing we need. We need another matrix and determinant of what? Of when you have A, if you replace the x's with the answer, okay, replace the x's, we call this one d of x or n of x. Different book use different. D of x is a matrix, actually A of x is a matrix that you use for, instead of x's you use the answer, but the rest is the same. Okay, what is the determinant of this? D of x. D of x is 5 times 1 is 5 minus negative 3 times negative 1, 3 gets 2. Okay, we have one determinant here. This is one determinant here. Okay, this is A of x determinant, right? Okay, how about D of y? AY determinant. D of Y is something we have A of X, A of Y. For example, how can we use this one? A of Y is a matrix. When you have X's as usual, instead of Y, you use the answer. We call this as A of Y. Yes? What is the determinant of this one? Determinant of Y is 2 times this is negative 6 minus negative 5. Negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1. So far, we have this one, and A. Okay, what is X? X and Y. X is D of X over determinant of A. Here is D of Y, determinant of A. What is D of X? D of X, the determinant of this one, it gets 2. This is 1, it's 2. What is Y? Determinant of Y was negative 1 over 1 gets negative 1. As we did this, you can use here, this is your assignment. Use this one and check in this one. You can find this correct. Okay? We use determinant of matrices for solving a 2 by 2. But if you have 3 by 3, 4 by 4 for equation with 4 unknown, n equation with n unknown, you can use matrices and determinant. Okay, hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.